Okay, first of all, I would like to thank to the Pakistan for the all supporting for the 2 years for the beginning from years ago. We have the historical and cultural relationship and cooperation between Indonesia and Pakistan. So I believe that we still have a commitment to further strengthening and deepening our relation and cooperation between two nations, especially for the people. The cultural exchange or something like that. And we have the memorandum of understanding for education field that we can explore and implementation more.
Excellent.
Thank you
Jazakallah.
very
And
much.
once again, happy birthday.
Thank you.
My good health.